In a remote corner of the forest, on a day that would be remembered for generations to come, something extraordinary happened. Animals gained the ability to speak. It was as if nature itself had decided to open a channel of communication between the different creatures that shared the same space, an act of unity that would challenge the perceptions of human beings and provide them with a unique window into the animal world. Between the shadows of the ancient trees and the murmur of the nearby stream, a curious boy, named Matthew, ventured into the heart of the forest. What he found there would leave him forever amazed. At first, the idea of talking to animals seemed surreal to Matthew, but he soon discovered that each creature had a story to tell, a unique perspective to offer on life in the forest and on the relationship between humans and nature. The first to cross his path was a cunning fox named Zoritio, whose sagacity and cunning made him a master of survival in the forest. Zoritio told Matthew about the challenges the animals face due to deforestation, pollution and poaching. He showed the boy the dangers of garbage abandoned by humans, which poisoned the soil and water, and endangered the lives of many species. Then, Matthew met Luna, a wise owl who had seen centuries pass by in the forest. Luna spoke to him about the interconnection of all creatures and the importance of respecting natural balance. It also taught him about the devastating effects of forest fires, some caused by human negligence and others by excessive ambition. The flames devastated everything in their path, destroying habitats and leaving many creatures homeless. As Matthew continued his journey, he encountered a series of fascinating characters, from the lonely bear who longed for companionship to the hummingbird who celebrated the fleeting beauty of life. Each encounter taught him something new, expanding his understanding of the world and strengthening his connection with nature. Upon returning home at the end of the day, Matthew felt transformed. He no longer saw the forest as a simple backdrop for his adventures, but as a vibrant and complex world, full of stories to discover and lessons to learn. The experience of talking to the animals had left a deep impression on him, reminding him of the importance of diversity and respect in all his interactions, whether with the creatures of the forest or his own human companions. And so, on the day the animals spoke, Matthew discovered a fundamental truth, that we all share a common home on this planet, and that it is our responsibility to protect and preserve it for future generations.